Dear traders, in this video I am going to teach you about the most accurate artificial intelligence indicator that will give you maximum results, and you will be amazed to see its results by using this indicator in your own trading. So I will tell you that this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Xness. If you want to open your account with them, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread zero, and pro accounts. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for you each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So let's move towards the strategy, and you can find the link of this broker in the video in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I will be telling you that I am going to use gold chart for this, and I will be using from here 5 minutes chart, so you can also open this chart. Okay, here I have changed its view, and now I will be going to tell you that which indicator I am using. The first indicator that we are using here is AI engulfing candle, and this is by Ahmed Rashad. And Ahmed Rashad 125 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on it, it will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that we are using from here is the fluid trades by SMC Light by PMGIIV. 1479 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply close it from here. And now this is in front of us. The first indicator, that is AI engulfing candle indicator, is giving us this signal with the short triangle in red and green color according to our market trend. This will show you the sell empty and buy empty according to your signals or according to the market pattern. As you can see here, buy empty is also here. Okay, and the second indicator, that is fluid trades by SMC Light. This will give you these levels that will be showing you the supply and the demand by showing you these ranging levels. Okay, our market has to move in between these levels, and as you can see, this will act as a support and resistance level. This is the support level, this is the resistance level, and in between these two levels your market has to move. For example, here whenever we are going to take a short trade or long trade, or for example for the bullish or the bearish pattern, you have to look towards the indicators signal first of all, and then we have to enter into the market according to our market trend. Okay, let's suppose here, for example, here our market our engulfing candle has given us the signal for SLMT. First of all, you have to see that your market has to your engulfing candle indicator has to give you the signal. And the second thing is that when you have to take the trade, when you will see that the level of the market is also starting from here, and your candle should not go beyond this level, so it has to be under this level, then you can take the trade for your bearish signal. As you can see from here, you have taken the trade and you can enter the market for the maximum profit. For the bullish signal, if you want to see, if I open any other chart, let's suppose AUD JPY, it will show us another a scenario from here. And as you can see here, our indicators will be okay. Let's see any other chart. I think due to the signal performance, it is not giving us the quick response, but here this has shown us the level. Okay, let's suppose from here, for example, our market our engulfing candle indicator has given us some signal of the bullish pattern. Then we have to wait for that signal to enter into the market. Let's suppose our engulfing candle has given us the signal from, it has given the signal from here. I have to show you the original one, that's why I'm waiting for the engulfing candle signal to to give us in between the levels. For example, here by MT, this is showing us the another indicator. This has shown us the signal by given us the engulfing candle, and from here we can enter into the market. As you can see that this is another ranging level that is showing us the support level as well. So we have to take the entry into the market. As you can see that whenever there is our market, this signal is given by the indicator to us, then our market has to take the trend reversal. From here it has taken the trend reversal, as this was given us the bearish pattern first, but from here our bullish pattern has started, because this level will act as a support level, so our upper level will act as our resistance level. So this market will go up from here, and you can take that trade positively and will get the maximum profit from here. Okay, if we will see our market is going down, now it has a downward trend, so it will act as a bearish pattern, and from here again it has taken the trend reversal, and you can see it has crossed many of our levels that were acting as a resistance level. Right, from here till here it has taken the profit, and you have achieved the maximum profit from here by using this signal. Okay, again this indicator, engulfing candle indicator, has given us the signal for sell empty, and from here we have to wait for our ranging levels, which is given to us from here, and then we have taken the entry into the market. But for some instance we have taken the trade from here till here, as I will be telling you that you are not going to take risk more than 5% in this trading strategy, because as you know that we have spent the asset into it, and we should not take more than 5% of our trade risk. Okay, let's suppose from here if it has given us the sell signal, then we have to wait for it to take the trade, and then from here till here we have taken the profit. Again it has taken the trend reversal, and you can see here it has hit the level again of resistance, and then it has taken the trend reversal, and from here till here it has taken the maximum profit. This will work on the basis of artificial intelligence, and you know that it will give you almost all filtered signals that will be most accurate. So don't forget to use it for your own trading. If you like the strategy, do like and subscribe my video as well. Okay, good luck from my side for your each trade and for your each trading strategy that you will be using by using this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.